Older women scare me. Not just talking MILF of 40 to 55, but pretty much any woman over 20 is intimidating and a threat to my ego. It's when they're too smart to appreciate my intelligence to its true potential. They always seem to dissect me and end in bullying me, reflecting my egoism into a bad light to make me look like a self-obsessing maniac. A woman over 20 would never allow me to live like I please, wallowing in my self-pity and spending my days impressing 14-year-olds and what seemed to be the rest of the internet. They don't admire my uniqueness and talent in every area. I can't feel safe in a relationship without someone willingly putting themselves beneath my feet and accepting me as their god, eating all of my vomit and not spitting up once. Without that perfect relationship, I feel unfulfilled, alone, and isolated. My last girlfriend was exactly what I'd been looking for. She was cute, not as intelligent as me, but suddenly, out of the blue, she sent me an incredibly long-winded text along the lines of, "Your arrogance and condescending attitude is pathetic. As to how you have friends at all is beyond me, because all you ever do is shit on anything against you, probably because you're a pussy and afraid of confronting anything against you, because you know you're right about how lame you are. I don't know why I'm wasted so much of the time being obsessed with you. Goodbye." It was dumb and annoying. At this point, I decided I couldn't just stay alone in my mother's basement my whole life, creating art and going nowhere, no matter how much I deserved to go somewhere. This is when and why I started talking to Amber, 14, a challenge enough to understand me, yet guiltless, to the point she'd accept anything I said and told her to do. And she was cute. She was obviously naive and somewhat innocent, which I liked. I told her my plans, and my loves, and my opinions. She told me so many times how she'd never heard anything like that. I enjoyed knowing she would always be there to listen and not ask questions, but just to accept my brilliance. I had to make her my girlfriend. Already this was somewhat morally wrong, as I, a 21-year-old male, was dating such a small, naive 14-year-old girl. But I was happy, and Amber was happy, and that was all that mattered. But just like every other man my age, I had a sex drive. I wouldn't settle for jerking myself off nightly when I had a perfectly ripe girlfriend who was able to do it for me. I spoke to her about it, and we agreed that she would lose her virginity to me. She assured me she wanted to, so it definitely wasn't forced. She came over one weekend when my family had completely vacated, and so we did it. And it was awful.